Wake up sleepy, we gon' do this, we gon' live life, we gon' make these dreams come alive, and I know you can, I know you can, oh.
Happy Friday, Sleepy, and happy end of the first semester. The second quarter is almost over, and we hope you finish strong and have taken advantage of office hours. Now we can get ready to take on the second half of the year.
Hey, I'm here with Mr. Jen. And Jen, since it's like halfway through the year, how do you feel about your seniors leaving in a few months?
Yeah, you guys have really been great. I'm a little worried about the second half of the year, but yes, I'm gonna miss you deeply.
And Jaya is his truly favorite student to counsel.
Yeah, totally. Jaya Jameson.
Yes, thank you.
Where's Henry?
Sorry I'm running late.
What took you so long?
See, I've been sleeping a ton, studying a ton, and eating a ton, so I can be on my A game to ace these midterms.
I know that's right.
The Giants game is this week against one of our biggest rivals. Make sure to check it out at 8:15 p.m. on Saturday if you have nothing to do. Go Big Blue! Woo!
Remember, if you need a break during midterms, come and check us out on YouTube and catch our digital news videos.
That's it for this week, Sleepy. Have a great weekend and see you in February.
How do you feel about the upcoming midterms?
We've gotten out of them for the last couple of years, so I'm a little bit nervous because we haven't had to take them in the past years.
Are there any specific classes you're really worried about?
Yeah, probably English and social studies, maybe chem too, and also bio.
So every class.
Yeah.
Ashley, what midterm are you most scared of?
I am most scared for the forensic midterm.
Mr. H.
Mr. H, I love him.
Yes.
But I love his dance moves.
Mr. H, do you have any tips for students taking the midterms?
Yes, my number one tip would be to study.
How?
Well, I think whatever strategies work for you individually, and I'm happy to help students with that in office hours if they'd like to work on organizational behavior.
Do you feel like your students are prepared for it?
I feel like we're going to do some review in class, and then also it's on students to review individually as well.
I like that, Mr. H. I like that.
Camilla, what midterm are you most scared for?
Top 3. Number 1, pre-calc with Katzman. Number 2, AP Literature with Miss Meyer. 3, AP Bio with Mr. H.
Mr. H, you better pass her.
Yes.
You better pass her.
Miss Meyer, too. In honor of January midterms, Angel, what midterm are you most scared for?
Pre.
Calc.
#Allison Katzman.
We're here with Miss Katzman with her little office hours. This is why everyone says that pre-calc is the hardest midterm. Miss Katzman, everyone is saying that the midterm that they're most scared of is yours, pre-calc. So can you offer any thoughts on that? Maybe words of encouragement? Who to blame?
Well, who to blame? Mr. O'Neill, clearly. He's always the one to blame. It's not going to be that bad, I promise. I say this every year. My midterm and my final is very fair. There's no tricks. It's very straightforward. That I can guarantee. Okay. So don't worry. And I'm here for extra help.
Right now, 4th period.
No graphs.
No
graphs. No graphs. You don't have to do any graphing. Maybe you'll see a graph you got to analyze or something, but you don't have to do a graph, draw a graph.
Guys, we're passing. This is fine. We're going to be fine.
Are the rumors true that you're shaving your head?
That is true. I will be shaving my head on February 28th after school in the high school gym.
What's the cause?
I'm asking for donations to go to the Muscular Dystrophy Foundation. So anybody who comes, you give me $0.25, $1, whatever it has. I'll take all donations. You could take all the videos you'd like, TikTok away, shave my head, thanks to Aiden Smith.
Mr. Larkins, I heard because Coach Storace is shaving off his head, you will be doing it as well?
Yeah, solidarity. You got to, be with him and do the same thing.
I just love the pride and everything that we're going here.
What do you think? Can I pull it off? Look.
Thank you.
I think it's a fabulous deal he's made with his team, but I think it's even more fabulous that he's honoring it.
I also think it's for a really good cause, and I think Mr. Storace is a man of his word. So, in support, if he's down for this, 100%.
If he asks you guys to join, will you guys shave your head off too?
I've already told him no.
No. Can you imagine this dome with no hair?
I'm with Jerry Bear. Would you shave your head for a cause?
Yes, because I would like to look handsome like Mr. Baxter.
Would you shave your head for a cause?
Absolutely not.
Really? What's the reasoning?
Oh, you know, I like my hair. I like my curl puffs. My daughters call these my curl puffs.
Would you shave your head for a cause?
It depends on the cause, you know. If it's for the kids, sure.
He's a good guy.
Good guy. Good answers. Thank you.
Mr. H, as we all know, Mr. Tracy is shaving his head. How do you think he will look bald?
I think he'll look the same way he looks right now, except with no hair.
Weibo, pancakes or waffles?
Pancakes.
Why?
Because you can just do everything with pancakes.
I prefer waffles, but I have a feeling that I've just made a mistake.
Pancakes.
Why?
I don't know, they just taste better in my opinion. And that's really all there is to it.
Waffles or pancakes?
Waffles.
Why?
Because I like the squares in the middle. I think I'm going to have to go with pancakes.
Why?
I don't know, it's just superior. It's so much better.
Pancakes or waffles?
Waffles are better than pancakes.
Alright, see, pancakes or waffles? I'd have to go waffles because they're way thicker and they come with like little syrup holders.
Pancakes or waffles?
Probably pancakes.
Good answer. Why?
I don't know. I feel like they're better than waffles just because, like, waffles, they taste like cardboard to me. I don't know.
What do you like to put on your pancakes?
Syrup.
What do you like to put in your pancakes?
Either chocolate chips, apples, bananas, strawberries, you know, that type of thing.
What's your favorite topping?
Whipped cream.
What else?
And sprinkles. Probably blueberries.
Nutella, maybe some strawberries. I like that.
Lots and lots of syrup.
What toppings do you put on your pancakes? Just syrup.
We'll have like chocolate chip pancakes, protein pancakes, all of that.
You can put whipped cream on them. You could put syrup on them. You could put butter on them. You could put strawberries on them. Pancakes are just a little bit boring.
What is your weird food combination?
When I have pizza, I like putting the fries on top and then putting ketchup and mayo over it, and I eat it like that.
You know peanut butter? Peanut butter. Take peanut butter. Milk. Okay. So you dip the peanut butter in the milk.
What's your guys' favorite weird food combination?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch, no milk, and some whipped cream on top.
It's not really a combination, but I just like to drink milk.
The little Ghirardelli squares filled with caramel and cream cheese. Take those little crackers.
Pop crackers?
Yeah. And I don't know why. I used to dip them in Coca-Cola. I don't know why.
Isn't like a soggy?
Yeah.
Weirdest food combination.
I take my eggs, I put it in my bell peppers, and sprinkle some hot sauce on that.
I can't. I gotta knock it.
No.
I gotta knock it.
You can do hard-boiled eggs, but it's better if you do an egg salad type of thing. Amazing.
Grilled cheese, and I used to put mustard on top. Don't come for me. But then I have another one. I have an obsession with avocado. I put avocado on everything. My bacon, egg, and cheese at Green County. Yes, I do. My ramen noodle. I just eat avocado with everything.
Ground beef and avocado. Made ground beef. I put an egg in it. Okay. Feta cheese and avocado.
Oh, you're the real Italian in here. So, how do you eat your spaghetti?
Okay, so you have to have a fork and a tablespoon.
Do you make your personal sauce, or you like Progretto at the supermarket?
How about a little cacio de pepe? So a little Parmesan cheese, black pepper, some butter. How's that sound?
You add any greens inside or anything like that?
You could do that, but in the cacio de pepe, it's just really just cheese and the pepper.
Say it in an Italian accent. Cacio pepe.
This is all getting cut, right?
No.
Okay.
How do you guys eat your spaghetti?
With what kind of sauce or with what utensil?
Sauce, with meat, noodles.
No, the noodle is the spaghetti. Oh, honey. Okay.
What?
Do you know what spaghetti is?
Okay, but some people might use linguine noodles.
Spaghetti.
Can you guys
guys just answer my question? It's different. You have to understand that like the shape of the noodle and the texture of it makes it taste different. So like spaghetti. Hold on, listen. Spaghetti, angel hair, linguine. None of those taste the same.
They're all different.
I don't care that they use the same exact ingredients. They don't taste the same.
How about bucatini? Is that bucatini?
No, what are you showing off? I don't know what that is.
Oh.
What is that?
It's like spaghetti with like how.
Bucatini!
Have you guys been to Italy?
Yes.
It's like it al dente.
Yeah, it depends. It depends on what
Mozzarella, Dijon mustard.
Sometimes I'm too hungry to wait, so I'll eat it al dente, even if I don't want to eat it al dente because I just want to eat. Yeah, but sometimes it's too soft and then it doesn't stay on the fork well, and then no.
It's gotta be al dente.
5 hours later.
You asked a question.
This is
You
honestly
gotta
terrible.
know, there's like 200 different kinds of pasta, and they all taste different.
I can give you like a 10-second answer about spaghetti. That when you're
Okay.
J&G or Greene County?
Has to be green. No, there's not even a question. It's not even close.
Wow.
Not even close.
Reasoning?
It's just better. I mean, cheaper, one.
Mm-hmm.
Better tasting.
Mm-hmm.
More variety.
Sure.
You got the whole package. I mean, you don't need more than that.
And the nice woman.
Yeah, I mean, she basically a mom to me. That's.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to say J&G. I really like their bacon, egg, and cheese on a wedge with hot sauce.
Greene County, of course.
How come?
Because the chicken cutlet and french fries are the best.
The answer is J&G, because at Greene County you can't get a hot plate, which I think is like a really big letdown.
Definitely Greene County.
Greene County all the way because it's cheaper, it's better, and they don't put too much bacon on their bacon, egg, and cheeses.
J&G.
Greene County. Me too.
Greene County. Why? It's better. Why? I don't know.
Greene County for the breakfast sandwiches, J&G just in general.
J&G every time. They got more bacon on the bacon, egg, and cheeses.
J&G, 100%.
Greene County.
Why?
I think personally they have better options, and I go there. I go to Greene County more.
The people are so nice. The woman.
Yeah, she knows my order. Like the moment I call, she's like, "Oh, yep."
J&G.
And you?
J&G.
Reasons?
I really like the guy there. He's really nice. And it's more homey than Greene, and it's closer to the school.
That's true. Good 20 feet, but yeah.
I like the guy at J&G, and also he's so nice when I get goldfish because he only charges me 50 cents instead of $1.
Greene.
Okay, what's your go-to order?
Cambridge.
I'm gonna go J&G. They got some good Italian deli. I'm gonna go J&G.
J&G's way better.
Favorite order?
All right. On a roll, bacon, chicken, lettuce, mayo, and American cheese.
Greene County. Why? Because there's just something about those chicken and fries that it's so good. They're so good.
J&G.
I'm gonna say J&G's.
Why?
Because it's just more bacon on your bacon, egg, and cheese.